good afternoon for Ashdress. Na-mention kanina yung global fame. So how do you stay grounded? How do you remind yourself na wag umakyat sa ulo?
Sa akin, hindi ko kinakalimutan kung saan ako nanggaling. And lagi kong iniisip na kung nasan ako ngayon, hindi yun dahil sa akin, kundi dahil sa mga taong nasa paligid ko na tumulong at naniwala sa akin.
Yes.
Ako naman, para sa akin, I think really nothing has changed. You know, we still come to work and we still want to do our best for the people that support us and that have been supporting us. Really, of course, this is our job, but we do it for all of you guys. Really, we want to put out stuff for you that you can enjoy, really, and we just want to work and give our best for you all.
Thank you. And for Andres,
Excuse me, can I add something lang, related lang doon? I'm actually surprised na sa level of tiredness na meron sila sa sunod-sunod nilang ganap. I actually appreciate them so much na hindi mo sila makikita kayo ng attitude sa set or alam mo yung wala sa mood. So, sana i-keep nyo yan kapag mas lalo kayong sumikat kasi that's one of your strengths.
Nice, thank you. And Andres, kanina na-mention your showbiz royalty, diba? Pero you have started to prove yourself and make a name for yourself. How does that feel? And nasaan yung parents mo rin dito sa nangyayari sa
I wanted to improve and get better, and I guess now we're here and there's still a lot more talaga to learn and a lot more people to meet in this industry, and overall, like, I'm just really grateful talaga.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Kate.
Thank
There
you
we
po.
have it. All right. Next up, we have from Rider PH Studios. Let's have Jojo Panaligan.
Q.
Hello po.
Kay Ashton and Andres, kanina sabi nyo, anything is possible, even falling for each other. No? Anong physical trait and personality of the other that makes him or her boyfriend or girlfriend material? Like Ashton, when you look at Andres, anong physical trait niya at sa personality niya na naisip mo, uy, boyfriend material nga pala si Andres, ano?
Siguro po yung thoughtfulness niya. Kasi parang ang laking bagay nung may mga yung hindi mo na kailangan sabihin bago pa niya ibigay. Hindi mo kailangan hingin, bibigay niya.
Yung physical.
Physical. Lahat naman po. Hindi kasi, pero bukod sa physical niya, nakakabakot po talaga sa kanya kasi yung puso niya eh. Yun talaga.
Ako din, I'll say the same thing. Yung attitude ni Ash at yung ugali niya, nakakita ko kasi we've been already working together for how many months already, and a physical trait that I love about Ash talaga is her eyes and her smile. Kasi when we're laughing minsan, talagang minsan, aminin ko, talagang tumitingin ako sa mata niya like, sabi ka akong ngiti din minsan, so yun.
Tingin ka nga, Andres, tingin ka nga kay Ash. Personality-wise,
Personality-wise, yes. Yung ugali ni Ash, you know, ang napansin ko sa kanya, wala siyang kaarte-arte ng kahit ano. Like usually, I've met people in my life that are medyo mareklamo, you know, about the small things. But the thing I really appreciate about Ash is, kahit whatever you put in front of her, she doesn't complain talaga. And she just does her job and does it with the best effort that she can. And that's what I also really appreciate about her. Even kapag nahihirapan ako sa mga eksena, hindi siya nagagalit sa akin, hindi siya na ano to. She doesn't stress me out. She always makes me feel like, oh, kaya natin to. So, yun. Yun ang my favorite traits.
Yung last question ko kanina,